Sit in Vajrasana. Kneel on the knees with the arms at the sides. The legs and feet are separated to make the back bend more comfortably. Inhale here. Exhale. Lean backward and slightly to the right and slowly reach for the right heel with the right hand and then the left heel with the left hand. Do not strain. Hold this position for 15 seconds. If you are unable to do so, support your lower back with both palms and then lean back. Return to the erect position by slowly crossing the left arm over the waist first. The weight of the body should be evenly supported by the legs and arms. Keep the navel gently pulled in towards the spine. You should feel a stretch in the chest, abs, thighs, and hip flexors. If you experience discomfort in the neck or back, limit the range of the back bend. Come out of the asana very gently. Come back to the starting position and relax.